It costs at least 1,000.
Wait, I never moved.
Oh my god.
So sorry. Hello everyone, I'm Brandon from TOYOGO Singapore and we are at NUS today to visit the NUS Calibur Robotics Team. Here with me is Terzi. Please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, I'm Terzi, student advisor of NUS Calibur Robotics.
Let's go. So can you tell us more about what you guys are currently preparing?
Our team is competing in the RoboMaster University League North America this year. It is a combat robotics competition where we design a fleet of 7 different types of robots, including a robot arm, a balancing robot, an autonomous robot, and robots with projectile launchers.
So should we look around the workshop now?
Let's go.
Can you tell us what is this?
Well, these are helping hands, which are used in our electrical workbench.
So that when members solder wires together, there are hands that will help to hold the 2 different wires together.
Just visualize in your head.
This is a soldering station. So a soldering station has a soldering tip, which is the hottest part of
the soldering station. So this applies heat to this wire called the soldering wire, and then it melts. The soldering tip melts the soldering wire on the wires so that they can be bonded together.
Do you get it?
Stupid.
They're not.
So the real question, right, is what is a fridge doing the workshop?
This is not a fridge, this is a 3D printer.
Oh, my bad.
In fact, we have a whole farm of 3D printers. So what a 3D printer does is to print out plastic components which we mount on our robot. So these 2 printers over here are currently printing items which are made up of PLA, which stands for polylactic acid. So these plastic components, once they are done printed, they will be mounted on our robots to hold different kinds of components together.
So how long do they take to print?
It depends on how complex and how large the piece is. So for example, this piece, it has 1 hour and 40 minutes left.
Okay, interesting. Isn't this from TOYOGO?
Oh, definitely. We use so many TOYOGO products. So over here, this is our pantry where we have store snacks in case members are hungry.
So pantry, okay. And then all these are extra boxes. Are you all planning to use this in the future?
Definitely. We like to use TOYOGO's boxes because they are easily stackable and they are very sturdy.
Proud TOYOGO user here.
Over here is our mechanical workbench. So these are storage crates from TOYOGO where we store small tools that will be used in mechanical development of our robots.
Okay, tell us what is this?
Over here we have the engineer robot. So this is a robot with a 6 degree of freedom arm.
Oh, whoa. Damn.
The end of the arm, there is a suction end effector. So what it does is to pick up foam cubes and suck it up, and by sucking it, and then transfer the foam cube from one end of the arena to another. So there's around a 5-meter distance.
So in our terms, it's a vacuum cleaner. Bruh. Also, do you have any robots that like shoot stuff instead of sucking stuff? Like shoot stuff instead of sucking stuff?
Wait a minute.
Oh, definitely. Nope. Let's head over there. So these 2 are infantry robots. Let me switch them on to show you the nice lights. Okay, so these are the robots starting up right now. These 2 are known as infantry robots, and they come in 2 variations. So this one has 4 wheels, and this one's the balancing version of it, which only have 2 wheels. But they offer different types of advantages in the competition, so we choose to deploy them whenever it's more fit.
Can you shoot our cameraman?
That's too dangerous. Okay. These are 17mm projectiles. They are the size of grapes. So how these projectiles are being shot out of the robot are through these barrels over here. The projectile leaves the robots through this hole over here, and then they are accelerated by two motors with rubber wheels. So these are called flywheels. They spin. There's one over here, and then there's another on the other side. So they spin in opposite directions, and then the ball gets shot out of the barrel like that.
Must be quite expensive to build these robots then.
It costs at least 1,000. Do you want to see this robot in action?
Oh yes, can you please see it in action?
Let's go to the dungeon.
Dungeon?
Here we are at the dungeon where we test our robots. This is the balancing infantry robot.
Overtake cover. And there's that, yeah. Damn cool, damn cool. Okay.
Do you want to try?
Yes, please. Wait, I never moved.
Oh my god.
I'm so sorry. I don't have 1K in my bank.
We do not care.
I guess I'll show you how it's done.
Okay. Wasn't that so exciting? It's so cool seeing the robots in action and seeing the members of the team such experts in their craft. Anyways, thank you for having us.
Thank you for coming down and supporting us. TOYOGO's products have helped us to keep our workshop very tidy and very efficient.
Thank you. Anyways, this is the end of the video. If you like our video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more.
If you want to check out our team, NUS Calibur Robotics, please go to the description below and check out our socials.
Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.